Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated grill brushes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Weber 3-sided grill brush. This affordable grill brush boasts some significant strengths. The wide brush head covers a sizable surface area, and the shorter sides can be used for cleaning edges or getting in between the grates to dislodge leftover schmutz. The thick handle is comfortable enough to hold, and while it may not last forever, Weber recommends replacing your brush every season. It's fairly durable. Whether you cook over charcoal or gas, this is a must-have tool for keeping grill grates free of food debris. Easily cleans hard-to-reach spaces between the cooking grates rods and in tight spaces at the edges of the cooking grates. Stainless steel bristles are extra thick for a longer life. Ergonomic handle helps with grip. Number 2. Our second best pick is GrillArt Bristle-Free Grill Brush. This Amazon's Choice grill brush has a helix-shaped, stainless steel galvanized wire brush pad that won't melt like nylon brushes, and most importantly won't shed sharp scraps of metal that could end up in your burger. No wire bristles at all, no melting like nylon grill brushes. With this safe grill brush and scraper, your food will stay 100% bristle-free. No more worrying about swallowing some metal pieces. Let's free to gobble up some favorite barbecue. New arrival patent pending. Save your effort and time, let's just have fun. You'll be surprised by the efficiency of a grill scraper. You may strongly scrape and clean more areas in less time. This grill cleaning brush is built in a wider scraper. Want to save you tons of effort and valuable time? Take this grill grate cleaner home. To be honest, all bristle-free grill brushes can't promise you get your job done in seconds, but will this be the exception? 125% more flexible upgraded helix can easily reach and clean the hard-to-clean sides of grates, not just the front. Whether you have a gas, charcoal, smoker, porcelain, infrared grill or other types like Weber grill or Foreman grill, your grates will be looking brand new in no time by using our grill grate cleaner. These barbecue accessories certainly will become the best one you like, so we dare to guarantee that you can receive a full refund or a satisfactory replacement at any time. Number 3. Our third best pick is Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush. True to its name, the Kona 360 scrubs every inch of grill grates. Its unique design combines 3 brushes in one, resulting in maximum efficiency with every stroke. The hard-wired stainless steel bristles on this brush are 60% stronger than conventional bristles, and they cut through the toughest residue without scratching your grill. Plus, it's safe and effective on all grill types, from infrared to charbroil. For the best results, repeatedly dip the brush in water while brushing a hot grill to steam clean. Unique design is 3 brushes in one. Each stroke is equivalent to 3 strokes of a conventional grill brush. 360 degrees clean, not just the top surface. Quickly removes burnt residue. A great gift idea. Safe for porcelain, ceramic, infrared, Weber, charbroil, etc. Keep your grill looking shiny new. Allows the use of both hands with minimal effort. It also keeps your hands from getting burned by keeping them further from the heat. Shorter brushes take way too much effort and longer brushes are too cumbersome. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BBQ-Aid Barbecue Grill Brush. This would grill brush and barbecue tools look good and function properly. From the ergonomic wooden handle to the sleek stainless steel bristles, this barbecue grill brush works every angle wooden grill brush. Don't mess around with any other charbroil grill brush with messy and weak wire handles. It's time to upgrade to a premium looking and working barbecue grill brush. 15 inch is the easiest and best size for your stainless steel grill brush and scraper. Allows the use of both hands with minimal effort. It also keeps your hands from getting signed from the heat. Shorter grill brushes take way too much effort and longer brushes are too awkward. Safe for porcelain, ceramic, infrared, Weber, char-broil, etc. Keep your grill looking and functioning like new. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is GrillFloss Ultimate Barbecue Grill Cleaning Tool. Like dental floss, GrillFloss cleans where a brush can't reach all sides of the grill grates, including the sides and bottom of the grill rods. With a simple push, turn, and pull motion, it wraps around each grill rod, scraping off the toughest caked-on grill gunk. Unique design includes a dual-sized cleaning head for small and large round grill grates, a 20-inch long handle to reach all areas of a hot grill, and stainless steel construction that will outlast any brush. It only works on round grill grates. As long as your grill rods are round, GrillFloss will fit your grill. After trying this neat little non-bristled tool, you might give your old grill brush the brush off. This one is designed specifically for grills designed with cylindrical rods and comes with 4 interchangeable heads to snugly fit around various rod sizes. If your grate doesn't have rods, then this one isn't for you. But for owners of rod-style grills, this nifty brush alternative could be a game-changer for your cookouts. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.